Figma stock dropped 8% in just 2 days. Google just released a major update to Stitch, a free AI design tool, so I tested it. My prompt: create a cyberpunk-style dashboard for a crypto wallet for me, and add a performance chart and a withdrawal button. It can generate full landing pages and dashboards from a prompt. And it even lets you control the design with your voice. But here's the truth. It's great for starting ideas, but it's not ready for final production work. You still need Figma. So no, it's not a Figma killer, but it's definitely something you shouldn't ignore. Would you use this?